Hello. In today's video, we're going to learn how to navigate the Globe Visualization System, or the Viz tool for short. Now, you'll find that there's many protocols and variables to choose from. So today we're going to focus on the Atmosphere protocol, in particular clouds. We have other videos that will highlight rainfall, trees, and land cover that you can view as well. So let's go ahead and begin. From the main page, click on Globe Data and select Visualization Data. Go here, Visualize Data. Now this may take a couple seconds the first time you do it. Okay, so here you can view in-depth tutorials on the Viz tool from the navigation buttons on the left-hand side, down here, Data Tutorials. So for us, let's go ahead and begin. Let's click on Enter the Visualization System. So now we can see the globe map, but there's no data on there. So let's begin by selecting some variables. Click on the layer icon on the upper left-hand side here. Now let's select atmosphere down there. You'll find that atmosphere is one of the most popular protocols, and for good reason. It's a great introduction to the globe program, and clouds are both easy and fun to measure, one of my favorites. Let's select clouds and choose all cloud types. There's clouds, all cloud types, and cloud photos as well. Let's go and hit submit. And now our map is populated with some really pretty photos from teachers, students, and citizen scientists throughout the world. Now this pretty palm tree caught my eye down here in South Africa. So let's go ahead and select on that image. Here we can get a lot of information from this school or citizen scientists. So if we click on measurements here, the first thing what we can do is we can see the school name here. We can see the site information. And here we can check on the date range of those data. We can also see the conditions and time of these observations if we scroll down. We can also see a plot of the data as well. And if we wanted to, we can click on this calculator image and we can get tabulated data. We can also click on the graph and graph the data as well. Here are some data points. Here's our graph. We can also see the data counts as well. If we go down here to all cloud types, we can see all the different observations that this school has made throughout the years of the different types of clouds. We can also go to school information and see the data there for our research purposes. We can see under site info the latitude and longitude of this school as well as the elevation. And of course, if we click on photos and start from the beginning over here, we can see there's our really pretty palm tree. That's a north-facing image, a lot of pretty cumulus clouds there. We can go east, see we have some obscured vision there from the trees, followed by south, of course, west. And then we get our upward overview. And of course, we want to see what you're standing on, because what you're standing on can have a drastic effect on the type of clouds that are being produced overhead. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. And I'd like to thank the teachers, students, and citizen scientists for collecting all this great globe data. We really appreciate all your hard work and want to encourage you to continue making those much needed measurements. Thanks a lot.